Hello dear students, today we will discuss worksheet number 55 class 10th science. Images formed by concave mirror. तो डिफरेंट पोजीशन के लिए हम ऑब्जेक्ट की डिफरेंट इमेजेस कैसे बनती हैं वो हम देख लेते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ रे डायग्राम्स. When object is at infinity, then image formed is at focus and highly diminished, inverted and real. When object is beyond C, in figure 2 you can see, then image is inverted, between C and F, diminished and real. All images are real except one. When object is at C, then image is also at C and inverted and of same size. Diagram 4. When object is at between C and F, then image is beyond C, inverted, enlarged, real and inverted. And figure 5 we can see, when object is at F, then image is at infinity and highly enlarged and real and inverted. And one object is between F and P, then image is behind the mirror, enlarged and virtual and erect. इस केस में ही वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट है, बाकी सभी केसेस में रियल है और इन्वर्टेड है. अब हम एक बार फिर देख लेते हैं. अगर पोजीशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, पोजीशन ऑफ इमेज, साइज ऑफ इमेज एंड नेचर ऑफ इमेज. इफ ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट इन्फिनिटी, पोजीशन ऑफ इमेज एट एफ, हाईली डिमिनिश्ड, पॉइंट साइज, रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड. बियॉन्ड सी, between C and F, diminished, real and inverted. When object is at C, position of image at C, same size, real and inverted. When between C and F, beyond C position and enlarged, real and inverted. Position of object at F, position of image at infinity, highly enlarged, real and inverted. Between P and F, when object is between P and F, then position of image is behind the mirror, enlarged and virtual and erect. Image formed by convex mirror. Object at infinity, image position behind the mirror at F, nature virtual and erect, size point size. When object is kept between infinity and mirror, तो इमेज पोजिशन होगी बिहाइंड द मिरर बिटवीन पी एंड एफ, नेचर वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट, साइज डिमिनिश्ड, यानी छोटा साइज होता है. और इसी वजह से ये व्हीकल्स में यूज होता है ये मिरर, क्योंकि ये वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट इमेज फॉर्म करता है. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाई कॉन्वेक्स मिरर इज यूज्ड इन व्हीकल्स फॉर रियर व्यू. We prefer a convex mirror as a rear view mirror in vehicles because it gives a wider field of view which allows the driver to see most of the traffic behind him. Convex mirrors always form a virtual, erect and diminished image of the objects placed in front of it. Question number 2. A student wants to get real and inverted image of same size as object. Which type of mirror should be used, and draw ray diagram for this? We will use concave mirror, and object we will keep at C, and we will get the real and inverted image you can see here, and you can see the ray diagrams of it. Question number 3 है, write an activity to find focal length of concave mirror. Place the screen in front of the reflecting surface of the mirror. Move the screen back and forth until a clear, sharp image of the distant object is obtained on the screen. Measure the distance between concave mirror and the screen with a meter scale. This distance is focal length of the given concave mirror. You can see this diagram, and this way you can measure the focal length when object is placed at infinity or a distant